Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone on this support.apple.com iPhone restore screen. You want to follow these steps to fix it. So what you're going to do is locate the volume up and volume down button and then this big side button. So you're going to quickly press and release the volume up followed by volume down and then hold on to this side button until the screen again completely turns black and you see the Apple logo reappear on their screen. So I'm going to do this and wait for the Apple logo to appear, and then I let go, and that should go ahead and fix. As simple as that. This method will not delete any of your data. It's just basically forcing the phone to completely shut down and reload the code. So if your phone was stuck on that screen, it's going to go ahead and fix it. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying it. Sometimes it takes 10-15 tries before it can finally get fixed. So, and the key here is to make sure when you press and release the volume up and volume down, you want to do it quickly one after another. So you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down again, and then hold on to this side button. As you can see here, I'm doing it one more time just to demonstrate how you can do this, and just keep on trying and keep on trying. It will work. It will take that phone out of that screen and get back to the normal screen and take you right into your iPhone. Now, if for some reason, let's say you did it 15-20 times, still isn't working, you might need to update it through your iTunes on your computer. You can do it on a MacBook or a PC. Just download the iTunes app and connect your phone and update it. I show you how to do that in another video, as it takes a little bit long, but before trying this, just keep on trying this. It will go ahead and fix your iPhone if you're stuck on that screen. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.